Hello. In this video, we look at how Immerse2learn system owners can manage their classes using the class editor. The class editor is a tool which instructors can use to assign class content and choose class settings. To access the class editor, go to Immerse2learn homepage, then click the Edit Class icon under Actions. In the first section of the class editor titled Class Information, you can set the order priority. This is used to set the order in which classes appear on yours and your students' home pages. The next fields are self-explanatory and should be set as desired: class name, description, and term/year. If the class status is inactive, students will not be able to access the class content. This is typically always set to active. Support email, this should be the instructor's email address. Class type, choose from certification, degree, elective, or professional development. Use as needed. This setting does not change the student's experience. Next is the Courses section. Click the plus icon in the Courses ribbon bar to expand the window. Use the pull-down menu in the SEQ or Sequence column to change the order in which the courses are presented to the students, or select the blank spot at the top of the pull-down menu to disable a course. The Final and Certificate columns have checkboxes to enable or disable for each course. Click the minus icon in the Courses ribbon bar to minimize the list of courses. Now let's go down to Other Optional Settings. Class information and notes, use as needed. Activate final exams. Use this setting to enable or disable final exams at the class level. This setting will only turn on exams which are enabled in the course list. Note, at least one final exam must be turned on in the course list to activate final exams at the class level. Next, enrollment code. Create a unique enrollment code between 5 and 12 characters and distribute this code to your students so they can self-register. For more information, please see the help video, How to Activate Enrollment Codes, or the help video, How System Owners Register New Students. Use the optional enrollment code lock to prevent a peer instructor from changing the code. Default self-enrollment status. When set to active, newly enrolled students will automatically be active in the class and can begin navigating through courses. When set to inactive, students will see the class but will not be able to navigate through the course until an instructor activates them in the class enrollment page. Please see the video on the class enrollment page for more information. Testing only in Display Developer Notes. Use these settings if authoring your own content. Contact Immerse2learn support for more information. The last two settings are for class peers. A class peer would be another instructor who you want to grant access to the class to. You can limit the class peer access to their own students, meaning students they manually register and enroll. You must also choose to allow class peers to enroll students. Click the plus symbol in the Select Class Peers ribbon bar to see the list of available instructors to grant access to. Click the checkbox next to the desired instructor's name if you would like to grant peer access. After making changes anywhere in the class editor, you must click the Update button at the top right of the page to save your changes. This concludes the video on class editors for system owners. For Immerse2learn support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.